We just rode the awesome OTIS hydraulic freight elevator this mall. Right there's the back entrance. Here's Panera Bread. And somewhere around here is the 2006 Schindler 330A. And it's right here. Installed in 2006. Go down to 1. Door closed button does not work. Re-leveled. Street. I did see a security guard in the mall earlier. I believe that's the only one here. That's the glass. That's the glass elevator. There's your code of conduct. Check our. Let's see. Looks like May of 05. I'll have to check that once I get to final review. Cab view, pretty basic interior. Fixtures, HT, hands-free ADA code compliant phone, 2,500 pound capacity, your cabinet. There's a mall directory. Where's this land on 2? Where's this land on 2? It's weird. The glass elevator and the FRT are. This is LL. This is 1. This is 2. Wonder what Schindler was thinking at the time. Wonder what Schindler saw what it was gonna be at the time. Just genuinely curious. It's just a typical Schindler. Oh, it opens right your Pottery Barn Kids. There it goes, and that's it.